Hi, my name is Vince. Today, I'm going to show you how to understand the earthquake drill. First, if there's an earthquake, don't panic, stay calm. And then, guys, if there's an earthquake, go in the table. I cannot fit in this table. And then, guys, when the earth is stop shaking, get out, go downstairs. Don't take the lift, don't take the elevator, guys. Might be an earthquake and shake and go in the room. Ah! Oh God, the camera. And then, guys, we go in the lift, and then who can go in the stairs? And then, guys, after the earthquake, stay out for heavy. Okay. Okay, camera tayo. It's not working. Okay, guys, stay out for buildings, stay out for poste, stay out for trees, stay out for house. And then, you're going to need some supplies. If there's a triangle, you can, if this a triangle, you can cover here. Go. Then, that's the way. Put it. And then, guys, stay out. First, take your shelter and go in the flat. And then that's how you do it with the earthquake, guys. I am so thirsty. I forgot to post the video. Hey, guys. And then, guys, if you are in the building, it's several floors, it will be a natural disaster after collapse. But I close my eyes when it's daytime. What I'm looking at. And then, guys, if there is an earthquake, and then you go wherever place. Kaya mo ako yung video! Go whatever place. And then if someone's injured, go help and say for everyone. And don't get cry. And then, guys, Okay guys, if you like this video and get some more subscribers, if you want some natural disasters with some telling everyone, and then whatever. Goodbye.